Hi guys and welcome to Baby Goose's Kitchen. I'm your host Samantha, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make a very popular Indian appetizer which is called chicken tikka or chicken tikka kebab. So let me take you over to the ingredients and let's get started. Our first step is an optional step. If you don't have bamboo skewers or wooden skewers, don't worry, you can just do it without it. But for those who are going to use this method, you need to first soak your bamboo skewers in a pot of water. You want to make sure that you soak both the ends for about 2 hours. Otherwise, when you bake your chicken tikkas on these, they're going to burn, and which is not a good thing. Over here I have 2.5 cups of chicken which I've cut into small chunks. I've used about 4 breasts. And now we're going to mix the chicken with the following spices. You need chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, 6 tablespoons of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, kasturi methi, juice of half a lime, salt, pepper, and I have also added a small dash of red food color. It's completely optional. If you're using Kashmiri lal chili powder, then you can just skip the food color. Traditionally in this mix you even add sesame oil, but I don't have it, so I'm going to use oil later, so I have not added oil in this mix. So now we're just going to mix this together. So after mixing this chicken really well, we're going to marinate this in the refrigerator for minimum an hour to maximum whatever time you want until dinner is ready. I'm going to marinate this for about 3 hours from now. So my chicken marinated for a total of 3 hours. When it reached 2.5 hours, I removed it from the fridge and I let it sit out for half an hour. This is an important step because you want to ensure that you get even cooking when you bake it. So now we are going to preheat our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So now I've taken a baking tray. I've just covered it with foil and we are going to lightly grease it. So now I'm going to show you how to do the chicken. So you have your skewers over here which was soaking in water. And I've got my chicken pieces. I'm just going to poke it like this. So after putting all the chicken pieces on the skewers, it's now time to baste one side with oil. Remember I told you in the beginning that the recipe generally takes sesame seed oil, or you can even do it later. So I prefer to do it later. This ensures a nice crust, that crunchy crust. So we just do one side. I'm just using vegetable oil over here. And now we're going to bake this at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to check it for 10 minutes. We're going to keep it in the oven for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we're just going to check it, and if it's done on one side, we're going to flip it to the other side, turn it to the other side, and then we're going to baste it again with some oil. So I removed the chicken in 10 minutes and it's cooked on one side. So now we're going to turn it to the other side. Now we're going to baste this side with some oil. And now we're going to bake this for 10 minutes on this side now. When I got these out of the oven in 10 minutes, there was some excess marinade, excess water and marinade. So I thought it was on record, but unfortunately it was not recording. So I couldn't get a glimpse of that, but I threw the excess water off in the sink. Broil this for about 3 to 4 minutes. So I removed my chicken tikkas after 4 minutes, and it has got the lovely black charcoal effect on it. And there you have it. You can always squeeze that extra lemon juice over it and it's yummy. And some of us Indians, we like to put chaat masala on it or have it with like a pudina coriander chutney, which is also very good. Or you can just have it the way it is. It's amazing. Enjoy, guys. So I've got a small piece to try for you, and if you notice that one side of it is more charcoal, has a charcoal effect, and the other side I've just let it to be a little more moist. So now I'm going to try it. That was my other cell phone which rang. Okay. So good. You have to go and try this. It's so good. So I hope you had fun on today's episode with me, and you go and make this. You seen how easy it was, and it is super tasty. Now you can have chicken tikka in your own house, and you're going to be the chef. So I'll see you soon in another episode of Baby Goose's Kitchen. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.